Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial on Google Apps. Uh, in this tutorial I'll talk about how you can do further setting changes and how you can get a notification alerts for particular calendars. So I'll repeat the process. I'll go into calendars module into the list of resources. So as you know, this is the list of resources present here. I will just take the email ID of this particular resource. I'll copy it from here. Then I will head over to calendars. Now I'll add this particular calendar here. This is the same process we repeated to change calendar settings. We'll see how you can modify notifications from here. I'll go to calendar settings. I'll go to edit notifications tab. So this is the console where you can get notifications of as you see some actions like new events, changed events, cancelled events, event responses, or daily agenda of this particular calendar. It may be a project room, can also be your colleague's calendar. You can choose how you want to receive, and I will choose it as all email. So now you see that the notification has been set when there are changes to this particular calendar. You will be notified about that. You can add a notification, and that will be pop up 10 minutes before each event. So you can remove it here. There is a remove link, but as we want to add the notification here, we'll click on save. So subscription successfully updated. So now you have been subscribed to those particular changes that will be happening to that calendar. So whenever someone is doing any changes in that particular calendar, you will be notified about that. So it's pretty simple. Now you can also see there are other settings in this calendar, like display only this calendar. You see everything else is grayed out. Hide this calendar from the list. This calendar is hidden from the list, but you are still subscribed to this calendar. As I told in my last tutorial, you go to settings, and when you unsubscribe this, then only you will be unsubscribed from this calendar. You see that it doesn't appear in my list. So I think you have understood what we were discussing in this tutorial, like how you can get notifications from a particular calendar. If you still have doubts, you can also always respond in comments. Thanks.